Machiegni Timbe adhula mar Nairobi United ne oyudo loch mar gonde 2-0 bang' loyo Timbe adhula mar Luanda Villa gondego e tuk lig kidieny mar NSL. Luanda Villa ne obedo wende Nairobi United e tugo mano tuge paw tuke madandora. Kocha mar Nairobi United Nicholas Muyoti noyango ni tugono ne obedo mapek e chakruok, kata kamano jotugo ne oniano mar yudo loch. Oyango ni tuke modong' gibedo kawo kaka finals mar yudo points 3 duto. Komachielo Fortune Sacco bende ne oyudo points 3 to koloyo Timbe adhula mar Migori Youth gonde 2-0.
I think all matches for us are final. We have to give our best as always, and other teams they're not that close, but we just have to make sure we get in every match we try as much as possible and get the 3 points so that we can be safe.
I think we've lost this match against United for 2 reasons. First, we were a bit tired from our last match on Sunday in Mombasa, so a bit of fatigue has come in. And then secondly, it's about stage fright. I think my players, for the first time playing in a big stadium and all that, I think we're a bit excited. We didn't manage to contain ourselves the first 20 minutes that we considered 2 goals. But all in all, I'm happy with the players who played up to 90 minutes. At least we have the energy and the power to complete matches. So we're looking forward for our next match on Sunday against SS Assad.